How to match the 400 tons of sand cleaning equipment per hour. Recently, my country's sand and gravel resources are in short supply, and mountain sand making has become popular. So how should the mountain sand washing production line be equipped? 1. Initially, the vibrating feeder feeds the material to the trommel screen or vibrating screen for screening, and the qualified particle size enters the next cleaning procedure, and the super-large particle size is transported to the sand-making machine sand. 2. After the sand-making machine is crushed, it is transported to the trommel screen or vibrating screen for re-screening, thus forming a closed loop to meet the particle size requirements of the sand. 3. The qualified grain shape after screening enters the spiral sand washer and wheel sand washer for cleaning again. The mud enters the overflow pool, and the sand pump and cyclone are used for fine sand recovery. Qualified grains enter the dehydration screen for dehydration treatment. It is transported to the finished product warehouse by the conveyor. 4. The overflow mud pool is pumped into the concentration tank by the sand pump. The mud cake is squeezed out by the filter press and the recovered clean water is obtained.